Welcome, fellow professionals, ProEdge Strategies. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's more relevant now than ever: effective communication in a virtual workspace. In today's fast-paced corporate world, the ability to communicate effectively in a virtual environment is no longer just a skill, it's a necessity for success. So, whether you're a seasoned executive or an up-and-coming professional, get ready to elevate your career game with our comprehensive guide to mastering virtual communication. Understanding the virtual landscape. Host. Let's kick things off by understanding the virtual landscape we're operating in. In the digital age, virtual communication has become the norm, blurring the lines between office and home. But what does this mean for us as professionals? Embracing the shift. Firstly, it's crucial to embrace this shift towards virtual communication. Rather than viewing it as a hindrance, see it as an opportunity to enhance flexibility and efficiency in your work life. By adapting to this new paradigm, you'll position yourself as a forward-thinking professional ready to tackle any challenge. Overcoming challenges. Of course, with any change comes challenges. From technical glitches to miscommunication, navigating virtual communication can sometimes feel like traversing a minefield. But fear not. By identifying these challenges and implementing effective strategies, you can overcome them and thrive in the virtual workspace. Mastering communication skills. Host. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's delve into the core of effective communication. Mastering essential skills that will set you apart in the virtual workspace. Clear and concise communication. Host. The cornerstone of effective communication is clarity. In a virtual setting where non-verbal cues are limited, it's essential to communicate clearly and concisely. Whether you're sending an email, participating in a video conference, or collaborating on a project, strive for clarity in your communication to avoid misunderstandings and foster productive interactions. Another crucial skill in the virtual workspace is active listening. With distractions just a click away, it's easy to zone out during virtual meetings. However, by practicing active listening, engaging fully with the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and providing thoughtful responses, you'll demonstrate your commitment to effective communication and build stronger professional relationships. Let's not forget the human element of communication. In a virtual environment, it can be easy to lose sight of the emotions and feelings of our colleagues. But by cultivating empathy and emotional intelligence, you can foster a sense of connection and understanding, even in the digital realm. Remember, behind every email or video call is a person with their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Now that we've honed our communication skills, let's explore some practical tools and techniques to take your virtual communication game to the next level. Leveraging technology. Technology is our greatest ally in the virtual workspace. From video conferencing platforms to project management tools, there's a plethora of technology available to streamline communication and collaboration. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these tools and leverage them to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Establishing communication norms. In any team or organization, establishing clear communication norms is essential for success. Whether it's setting expectations for email response times, defining meeting etiquette, or establishing channels for feedback and collaboration, clear communication norms create a framework for effective virtual communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Finally, let's talk about mindful communication. In the hustle and bustle of the virtual workspace, it's easy to default to autopilot mode, firing off emails and messages without much thought. However, by practicing mindfulness, pausing to consider the impact of our words, actively listening to our colleagues, and fostering genuine connections, we can cultivate more meaningful and impactful communication in our professional lives. And there you have it, fellow professionals. A comprehensive guide to mastering effective communication in a virtual workspace. From understanding the virtual landscape to honing essential communication skills and leveraging practical tools and techniques, you now have the knowledge and tools to excel in the digital realm. So go forth, communicate with confidence, and elevate your career game to new heights. Until next time, stay connected, stay productive, and stay awesome.